Good day everyone, this is Vanessa here, welcoming you all back to this channel. What I have for you today is a product review. So, today we are going to talk about Cicaplast Baume B5. First of all, let's have a look at its consistency. As you can see, it's a very rich and thick cream that it's supposed to soothe and nourish dry, sensitive and irritated skin. It says that it's suitable for children, babies and adults alike. Now, this all-purpose balm contains, among others, panthenol 5% and medicassicide. So theoretically this is supposed to be a high quality product, and it's recommended to be used on cleansed and dried skin twice daily. So let's see how it worked for me. I used with this product a tried and tested cleanser just to make sure that this product gets a fair chance. So I've applied it twice daily for about a week because I really wanted this product to work for me. I think among all the products that I've ever tried, I had the highest hopes for this particular one, just because it's La Roche Posay. So I was like, I've got to love you, you've got to work for me, just because I need one Western product to work for me, because none ever did. There are things about this product that I liked. It says that it's supposed to nourish and soothe the skin, which it does. As soon as you apply it, your skin feels soothed, nourished. It feels wonderful, and you have this well-being feeling. It's a very nice sensorial experience. It does take a bit of time for it to fully sink into your skin, but despite the fact that it says it's non-sticky, it is. My skin did feel rather sticky quite a while after applying this cream, and it doesn't sink perfectly into your skin. Some of it does stay on top. That being said, that it's not the worst thing about this product. First of all, it is not recommended to be used around the eyes, something that I don't really like. I am supposed to be able to use my moisturizer around my eyes. This is a disadvantage because I will have to purchase an eye cream if I want to use this product. Another thing is that my skin didn't like it at all. There is no way my skin is ever going to like this product. As soon as I've applied it, within minutes I started experiencing stinging, followed by a mild itching. Quite an unpleasant experience, I would say. But then again, I really wanted this to work for me, so I was like, okay, you've got to remember that it takes about 4 days for your skin to get used to the product. I've applied it for the next days, again on my face and neck, hoping that, well, it's going to get better. It didn't. The stinging increased, the itchiness increased, and the stinging extended to my neck. At that point I was like, okay, I'm sorry for you, but we are not a perfect match. I'm really disappointed because it is supposed to be one cream that if it didn't work for me, it should have at least given me a very mild adverse reaction, not as unpleasant as it did. I must admit, I'm very thorough with the products that I choose. I only use them, let's say, for 2-3 days. And if they give me stinging, rash, anything, I stopped using it. But the way the company markets this product, if it's supposed to work for babies, then it was supposed to work for me as a 36 years old. So I would say for very sensitive or atopic skin, this is a disaster of a product. So let's recap. This product nourishes, suits the skin, it's fragrance free, it's recommended for dry and irritated skin, and it's supposed to be suitable for all ages. Not the case. This product, it's not suitable for sensitive, very sensitive and atopic skin. But this is not all in all the worst product out there, because to some extent it does what it says it should do. Now I would like to hear from you. If you've used it, what was your experience with it? Did you like it? Did you not? Would you be repurchasing it? All your opinions, thoughts and questions, leave them down below in the comment section. With that being said, that is all that I have for you today. I will see you again very soon in another video, and up until then, remember, beauty is skin deep.